Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this pretty ombre and nail stamp nail design. So the polishes I'm using are this Color Club called Hot 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 Pans. It's a really pretty peach. This pink by NYC Colors called Fashion Avenue Fuchsia. And this neon orange by China Glaze, and it's called Pool Party. Now on a clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply these three colors. Now these colors to me don't necessarily go together. Like if you looked at it, you would say, I don't know about it. But I have to say, once I was done with the ombre, I really did love the finished look. It just gave it such a fun, pretty look. I just loved it. Now, I had to do this ombre 4 times. I just didn't want to bore you doing it repeatedly, but I had to do it so that the colors could become really dark and opaque. If you want to have a lighter shade, you can do it a couple of times, but I always like my ombres to be really dark colors. I just think they look really good like that. Now, like I said, it did take several times, but I love the finished look of it. You can use any color combos that you want, but like I said, I love this color combo. Now, once I was done with the ombre, as you can see, I used my Expressionism plate by Winsona. It has really cool abstract looks. This is kind of like a shattered glass, I guess. This design, I guess it's called shattered glass. And I applied black stamping polish onto it. And I just think that once I applied the black stamping polish onto the design, it just brought it such a nice look. I like this design because of the fact that the stamp design covers most of it, but you can see the colors coming through. It just gives it a nice cool look. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.